Where mics are hot. We are ready.
Damn, this thing's seen on my head.
You're on. We're recording.
Oh, snap, man. Okay,
We're recording. We're here recording here.
BeastLife here with a huge announcement on October 27th, 2020. First, it's my 44th birthday. Beasted up still, 44 years. If you follow me on social media, you know I'm always kicking out live, beasting ass videos. Well, I figured out a way that you can give me 24/7, 365, and that's with the BeastLife channel. We are now live on YouTube. Subscribe, like, share, get all your friends involved, get all your family involved. Go to testimonials.com, click the YouTube link at the bottom of the page. Subscribe to the BeastLife channel on your own. I'm going to be coming at you from the BeastLife Lab with live workouts, live podcasts, live interviews, live cooking shows. I'll have health and fitness tips coming to you from Yazi and the rest of the BeastLife team. We'll be giving out ways for you to beast up daily. Again, make sure you go to tastemethod.com, click the YouTube link at the bottom of the screen, or if you're already on YouTube, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like and share any video that you see from the BeastLife. We'll be featuring the Taste Method program that'll show you how to rip up and beast up quick. Make sure you get on. Beast up.